Imagine this, one app where you can stream free movies, live TV, listen to podcasts, watch web shows, and organize your own personal movie collection like a Hollywood studio. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's Plex. But here's the twist. The real magic isn't just in what it gives you, it's in how much work you want to put in it to make it shine. Hey, it's Caitlin, and welcome back to GBRLIFE Reviews, where I test the tools, apps, and platforms so you don't waste your time. Today, we're talking about Plex, the app that promises to be your all-in-one streaming home. Let's see if it's actually the ultimate cord-cutting dream or just one more app icon on your home screen. And we'll find all of this out right after my quick intro. While you like and subscribe, let's get into it.
Welcome to GBRLIFE. Real talk, big love, everything in the mix. So bring your boy, Joe Bite, you're home now, babe. This is GBRLIFE. Ooh, this is GBRLIFE.
Plex is part streaming service, part personal media hub. So on one side, you've got thousands of free movies, shows, and live channels, all ad-supported. On the other, you have the ability to upload your own movies, TV shows, music, and photos, and have Plex organize it beautifully across every device you own. The idea is one app to rule them all. I mean, obviously. But there's things I liked and things I didn't like. So let's talk first about what I did like. First and foremost, it's a huge library of free content, and it's not just outdated stuff. I found movies from the last few years and full seasons of TV shows. There's live TV channels that you can flip through instantly, news, kids shows, lifestyle, even niche stuff that's like retro gaming shows. And your personal media library looks incredible once you set it up with posters, descriptions, cast info. I actually also got a local commercial during a break, which made it feel, weirdly personal and connected to my community. Like old TV, when you would get your own local commercials when you were watching, again, TV. So it was quite nice to get that again, especially on something that's a streaming app that I wasn't paying for. Plus, you can share your library with friends or family, which makes it feel like your own private Netflix. And you can watch it anywhere because remember, it's an app, so you can pick it up where you left off on your smart TV, tablet, or phone. Again, not sunshine and rainbows, right? Like I always say. So let's talk about what I didn't like. First and foremost, setting up your own library can feel like a part-time job. If you're not techie, it can easily make you feel like you're getting stuck. So it's something that you might have to help grandma or grandpa with, not to say that you don't know how to do it, grandma, grandpa. You might know how to do it perfectly fine. But, if you're feeling like you're not the biggest person when it comes to doing anything with technology, this might be a little bit more complicated for you to get it set up to begin with. And then you also have ads because it's free streaming. And it's not the worst, but, sometimes it can feel like it's back to back. Plus, some titles are locked depending on your location, and I hate that personally. Although you might be able to get past that with VPN, still shouldn't have to be that. And then also, a lot of really powerful features are locked behind Plex Pass. And speaking of Plex Pass, that means we're talking about the cost. So let's get into cost next and see what we're really talking about with Plex Pass. So, in regards to plans and pricing, you have the free plan, which includes all free movies, shows, live TV, plus your personal library hosting. And of course, ads included for Plex's own content. But then you get into your monthly pass, or it's Plex Pass monthly. And this is $4.99 a month, and it adds offline sync, movie extras, better music features, and DVR for live TV. And then you get Plex Pass Lifetime. And so this is for $120 one time, and it's great if you plan on using it as your main hub forever because it's a lifetime pass. My advice, if you're just curious, the free version is plenty. But if you love organizing and want the advanced features, Plex Pass pays for itself pretty quickly. Plus, you can always start with the Plex Pass, and if you find that you just want the whole thing, you can always go ahead and do the $120 at that point. It's really up to you in that sense. All right, Is Plex worth it for everyday life? Because now we're getting into the big question. Again, is it worth it? Let's break that down. In regards to the price, overall, yes. It's an easy way to keep all of your video files, research footage, or old projects in one place if you're a creator. And then if you're a parent, definitely, there's free kids content and you can control exactly what's in your library. And then again, because of the price, free, yeah, it's worth it. You don't have to pay for it unless you want to go for that Plex Pass. So overall, that brings us to the GBRLIFE rating time. And in this case, I'm going to give this a GBRLIFE rating of a 4 out of 5 because it's powerful, versatile, and it can replace a few other apps. But it's not effortless. I don't want you to go in there thinking I have to literally do nothing to get the best out of it. No, you do. But if you want everything in one place, it can absolutely be your streaming HQ. If you're happy juggling Netflix, Disney Plus, and Tubi, Plex might just sit there waiting for you to remember it exists, though. So, are you Team Plex? Or do you prefer sticking to your usual streaming app? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what you're watching. But that's it for this week's review. If you want more like this, though, don't forget to check out the GBRLIFE Reviews Unfiltered Opinions playlist. And while you're at it, like and subscribe to GBRLIFE so you never miss another review. And if you want something totally different, check out last week's review of Miro. I went deep on whether it's a productivity dream or just creative overload. And spoiler, it came out with a strong GBRLIFE rating. Either way, with all of my content on GBRLIFE.com and my fabulous Mama Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBRLIFE in your life. See you next week. Bye.
Stay engaged with the good, bad, real life. Not a bit less, 'cause not your bit less.